Hello, in the last video I showed how to create a synchronous job and add it by cron job or interval triggered. So let's follow our cat of the week logic. So let's imagine we have registered 10 users with 10 cats and they added their cats for the next round. And we have to select these cats on Monday and to create them as current round cats. Okay, so let me delete these two jobs. Let me create separate folder, cron jobs. Okay, and here I will write one more file, round and .py, and here I will write asynchronous function round and logic. Okay, and what we need here, first we need to select all the cats which are in the next round. So we will need the model. From models.getModels import next round cat. Okay, and here next round cats equals to await select all cats. So we will have to write a query which selects all next round cats. So let me go to queries and open the cat queries. Okay, and here we have to write the logic. Okay, let me create new function which is select all next round cats. Okay, and here I will return a list of next round cat, and here I will write docs equals to doc async for doc in next round okay next round cat. So let me just rename to next round cat ref. Okay, dot stream. So like this we will query all documents, and next round cats equal to, again I will use list comprehension next round cat, and here I will write id equals to okay for doc id for doc in docs. Okay, and here one more thing, doc dot to dict. Okay, and return next round cat. Okay, again simple query, and we will import it from queries.getQueries import select all next round cats, and we will use it. So we have all the next round cats. Okay, so it says any. Let me check why. Okay, next round list of next round cats. Okay, and here. Okay. Okay, we will see next round. Cats is not accessible any. Okay, I have to call it. Okay, so next step, we will need to create the current round gets, and we will need the modules. So let's go to modules, and if you remember, I created one draw.io diagram. Let me open again the diagram. Okay, here is the diagram again. So we have to create this for modules. So let me start with current route get base. Which is equal to base get module. Next one will be current round cat create, which is current round base. And actually for now we need this module. Let me come here. Maybe we don't need next round get, but current create and current round gets equals to current round get create get with dot module dump. Okay, I will use this comprehension for get in next round gets. Okay, and here I have to insert this current round gets, and let me first write the logic. Okay, insert current gets, where we will have gets, which is list of, okay, and here we will return null since we will not use anything. Okay, gets dicts equals to get module dump for getting gets. Okay, and here new get refs because we need the reference for this get. So I will create next current round get ref, which is equal to db collection current round gets. Okay, and here new get ref okay, so current round. Okay, I just lost the track for a moment. Okay, for in range for the length of the get dict. Okay, so whatever we have for length yes of the cat dict list, we will create. For example, if we have 10 cats, we will create 10 new references, and here insert operations equals to new get ref dot set get dict for get dict new get ref in zip. Here we will use functional programming get predicts and new get refs. Okay, and we will await all of these operations, but here I will use from async queue. I will import gather because I want all these operations to be executed at the same time. Okay, and I will import this function. Okay, and next step, when we create the next round gets, is to delete all the current round gets. Okay, so we will have to write one more query. Okay, and here I will provide the next round gets because I will take their IDs. We will return none from that function. Okay, and delete again tasks. We will write next round get ref.document. Excuse me, so I always forget how I name this document. And here get ID. Okay, for cat in cats. Okay, here, yeah, cat. We will take the ID. Okay, and here await gather again. We will spread these tasks and we will execute them concurrently. Okay, and here again we will add delete all next round gets, and I will provide next round gets. Okay, and for the sake of debugging I will write job done if job started. Okay, so I think I have at least one next round get. So let me start. Or yeah, first I want to add the round end logic here in the main file. Okay, so let me delete this logic here. Let me delete this async here. We will not use it. And from cron jobs dot round end import round end logic, and I will use for now for debugging interval trigger, and I will add seconds to 10 seconds. I want just to test what is going on. Okay, so we will see the logic. So uvicorn. Okay. Okay, so the job have been started. Job started and job done.